The Global Cach iTach Flex Wi-Fi module offers a straightforward solution for wirelessly connecting, monitoring, and automating various sensor devices. It's designed to bridge the gap between your smart devices and a Wi-Fi network, providing remote control capabilities through a compatible control app. One of the key highlights is its simple yet powerful connectivity. The built-in HTTP support allows for immediate network access, and the HTTP Control API enables web-based control. This makes it relatively easy to integrate into existing systems or create new control interfaces. For those working with infrared, IR, controlled devices, the inclusion of iLearn and iHelp software is a definite plus. Available as a free download from the Global Cach website, this software allows users to capture and playback IR commands, expanding the module's versatility. The iTach Flex Wi-Fi also provides 4 megabytes of flash memory for storing web pages and data, accessible via URL. This can be useful for creating custom control interfaces or storing sensor data locally. Installation appears to be user-friendly, thanks to the module's compact size and included mounting dock. This allows for flexible placement in various network setups. The Global Cach Flex WF iTach Flex Wi-Fi module seems like a solid option for anyone looking to add wireless connectivity to their smart sensors and devices.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.